What's up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? This is Moto Noir. Thank you for watching. I am heading out to Long Island for my buddy's birthday party. My buddy Doug is an NYC police officer and an all-around pretty good guy. But you know, I've been riding for like an hour and it's been like this the entire time. So I've been doing a lot of splitting and not a lot of filming. It's just so much traffic. And as you can see, nothing but traffic for a while here. And whenever I do so much splitting, like, it gets to me, you know? You like, I don't know, it messes with my head. It gets tiring because you have to concentrate so much on keeping yourself safe. Anyway, so I just turned on the camera because it got a little less congested all of a sudden. Not quite as bad. Cool. Little Bumblebee Camaro. Not bad. Not bad at all. But yeah, whenever all you can see is just like this little lane of traffic, and you have to pay attention to what other cars are doing, and it's just, oh man, yeah, it really, after like 15-20 minutes, it really starts to just be like, holy crap, am I ever going to get out of this? And so far I've been splitting for about 30 miles. 30 miles of splitting. This has been non-stop, ladies and gents. Just non-stop splitting. And if I wouldn't split, you know, my bike would be like 300 degrees and I'd still be stuck about, you know, 20 miles back. I mean, what good does that do for me, the environment, my bike? We just have some weird, outdated laws, man. I mean, there's right ways and wrong ways of splitting, of course. And of course, they don't want the wrong way to be splitting, which would be for me to be going like 50 miles an hour, 70 miles an hour through here. That would be dangerous. But instead, I'm going 25 miles an hour, anywhere from 25 to 30 miles an hour, let's be honest. And it's just, and still, man, it's a lot. But you know what? People are kind of cool through here. The police are definitely not cool. But people will get out of the way. Oh, that airflow. HOV lane closed, coming up ahead. Okay. Apparently there was a crash. Not good at all. Alright, let me do some concentrating here. It's not like I want to be splitting, you know? This is not ideal. This is not ideal riding. I'd much rather have open roads and doing my thing that way. But no. There are a bajillion people in New York City, and we only have so much space for highways, and they're old highways. So this is what we have to do. We've got to split. And yes, everyone, splitting in New York City is illegal. It's 100% illegal. But when traffic is just backed up for miles and miles and miles, there's nearly no reason for me to be suffering on my motorcycle. I mean, I could just pull over and walk and be faster than everyone. So yeah, just having a gay old time heading out here. Alright. Alright, maybe I'll turn the camera back on whenever things aren't quite as bad. Okay. All right. So, it looks like there was actually a pretty gnarly crash up here. Unfortunately, that looks like it is the case. I'm not going to be rubbernecking at all, but hopefully the traffic picks up here. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Oh. Yay. Oh, get that wind going through me. Oh, yeah. Oh. And immediately my bike temperature goes down by like 20 degrees. Just by getting air going through the engine. Oh my god. My legs are on fire right now, ladies and gents. On fire. God bless America. Look how I'm holding my legs out. Alright, the bike temperature is now sufficient. There we go. Hot damn. Hot damn is right. Alright, I'm going to be taking exit 58 in 22 miles. So I've got a ways to go. Oh, but man, it feels good to have the air going through me. Now I've got a nice little cruising speed going. And the air going through my helmet feels pretty damn good. Alright. So I'm going to Doug's birthday party. There we go. Alright, I'm going to turn it off and I'll turn it back on whenever I get a little closer. Later. Oh, alright. Finally off the highway. Yikes. That was ridiculous. So, where am I going? Oh, I need to turn left. Okay. Well, all these people look really nice. Like they will have no problem with me doing this. Huh. This kind of looks familiar. I remember Doug saying that whenever I went out to a little lake house with Victoria, that I was near-ish his area, so this kind of looks familiar. The air smells very fresh, piney, if you will. I want to be respectful of everyone out here and just kind of drive normally, or normally, like the way I ride. But I'm aggressive. I am aggressive. Oh, look at that car. Damn. That's like a demolition derby car or something like that. Just can't stand being behind people. I don't know. I have a defect. I have a defect in my brain that just says get around everyone. But I definitely don't want to piss off any Long Island police officers. No thank you. I don't want to have to call Doug and be like, bail me out, bro. Had to do it. Woo! My seat is hot. My seat is hot. 4 more miles. 11 minutes. And I can take my jacket off, have a beer, and chillax. Yeah. Okay, guys. I can't do it. Can't do it. What are you doing? Good to go. All right. Okay. I'm very proud so far. I have not seen a single Trump sign. You know, just all the signs in the yard are usually looks like, you know, proud of my class of 2021, high school senior, cheerleader, football player, basketball player. Kind of nice to see all the Trump signs gone away. Yo, Doug, man, you live in a nice neighborhood, bro. I'm out of the city and I still get stopped by red lights. Mother piece of... That person was going to go the speed limit. I am not. Because this looks like a fun little turn. And I was right. Yes. Towns like this should have stop signs, not stop lights. Stupidity. Dog, seriously, bro, you live in a nice freaking neighborhood. I have 3 crack addicts to live on my block. There's probably not a single crack addict out of here. I'm totally uncomfortable. JK. Alright, where am I going? This way? Sounds good. Oh, you got a nice mall. What the heck? And our buddy Jay lives out here too. Yo. Huh. Maybe I'm doing something wrong in life. I don't know. I'm definitely not paying attention to many rules. I got a fellow biker up here on a nice slow Harley. Oh my god, kids, we're almost there. We're like a mile away. Oh, we got a psychic. Every town needs a psychic, you know. Someone to consult about the future and where your stars align, and if Jupiter is in retrograde or something, or Mercury, you know, who knows. Good. Good. Oh, sorry guys, I gotta have my helmet open. It was a hot day. Talking 89, almost 90 degrees. All right, he's on Long Street, not on Short Street. Long Street. What's up? You got wood? Ah, yeah. I'll need it. Got wood? So what's up, kids? Fun story for you. I just drove back pretty much all the way back from Long Island to the garage with a rear flat tire. Or a flat rear tire. Yeah. Super stoked, super fun. Not so happy. Any of you guys know how to fix the flat tire?